Hello guys, welcome back. It's Tuesday, the 17th of December, and today is a webinar day. As everyone knows, 5 to 6 p.m. we're going to be live. So before we go any further already, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up on this video, because this, incentivizes us to be posting daily content to everyone watching us and help us and, telling YouTube that you actually like this content, and then he will do share to other people as well onto the platform. Now, the webinar is tonight from 5 to 6 p.m. this afternoon from 5 to 6 p.m. And the best way for you to get the link is actually being into the Telegram group, where you can access the Telegram link into the description, or you can register yourself as well and get the link through your email. You can choose either way. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so today we didn't have much things happening besides the manufacturing PMI as well as the services PMI for USA. We had somewhat of a mixed data if we combine those two together. So we had manufacturing PMI at 48.3 and the services PMI at 58.5. And then later in the day, we're going to be looking to have some more data from German as well as Europe, and that should be around it. We've seen euro dollar somewhat again stable, because since I think it was pretty much since last whole month. I'm looking at the chart at the moment here, euro dollar trading at 105.11. Since the last month we haven't seen much moves happening into euro dollar, so pretty much stable. But again, it comes handy of what I've mentioned about the DXY. DXY is trading at 106,800, 872. Again, trading at a very range bound chart, so comes handy of what I've mentioned. As I say, past to 2 weeks ago or a week ago, something like that, we would have the DXY into 106 to 107, and if there is a potential, the potential would be that DXY would break to the upside. All right. So I do believe into the forex space, we won't have much volatility by today and next week and next few days. But what actually is happening is into the crypto space. Bitcoin reaches a new all-time high. I'm looking at it right now. It's trading at $106,418, and it reached all-time high yesterday at $107,820, around that mark. So what's going on? What is happening with this? Well, some sources that I had, I'm not a very big crypto person, as everyone knows, but stay tuned, because probably next year, this year is already to a closure, but probably next year we're gonna be having Gilson, that is the guy that used to came here a few months ago to do the podcast into the Bitcoin, and then he will come back. We invite him to come back and talk more about crypto next year. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel to don't lose these podcasts coming up. Now, talking about the Bitcoin again, so we had Bitcoin trading at new all-time high again. It reached the 100,000, and then it retraced back to 100, not 100, sorry, it retraced back to 94, around 94,000. So really interesting. And then now break through the 100,000 again, and then now trading at $106,400, $106,400. Imagine if you have 5 Bitcoins, you have $500,000, all right? So imagine those people back, very, very back in the days, that they're holding 100 Bitcoins when it was, $10, $15, $20 each, and people holding like 50 Bitcoins. It's insane how much money those people have. I was actually looking at a Instagram post once, and then the guy was a billionaire with Bitcoin. He bought because a friend told him to buy, and then he forgot. And then now he he has it. So it's insane. You know, made a lot of billionaires and millionaires around the world. Anyways, again, coming back to it, is pretty insane how Bitcoin is trading. I do believe we can reach 110,000. 110,000 is where I will be looking to, you know, take profit. I do have a position open at the moment since last Friday. Very interesting how to trade Bitcoin on CFDs. It's really, really interesting, and I'm really loving. And you know, ACY do provide Bitcoin. And if you don't know, yes, we do provide Bitcoin. Have an account with us, make a demo account or something like that. One of the account managers will definitely give you a call, and we'll show you around and how to, you know, set up your account, trade some Bitcoins as well, and then you can go from there. But yes, I do believe the whole, you know, as I was saying, the whole thing about this huge move on Bitcoin is because Donald Trump has said that the reserve will be on Bitcoin. So if the US government is actually buying Bitcoin, why shouldn't we buy Bitcoin? Well, now that's the question, right? It's a bit tricky because some people think that this is the top, this is very expensive, already 106,000 is the maximum that it can reach. Some people think that this is not the top, this is just like, you know, oh, it is just the bare minimum, it's going to reach $1 million in 5 years. It's insane. It's really insane, to be honest with everyone. There's no explanation behind this this currency, this cryptocurrency. So really interesting how this is moving. All right, guys, yeah, don't forget that today from 5 to 6 we're going to have the webinar, and I'll wait you there. We're going to be talking about the data and you know, some instances about Bitcoin as well, but most likely talking about macro and geopolitical instances. And then tomorrow we won't have a webinar, and Thursday we have the last webinar of the year, most probably. All right, I will let everyone know on Wednesday, but yes, I think Thursday is the last webinar of the year. I will be off for the whole next week, most likely. So if you have any questions, please message me on Telegram or come in live tonight and you can ask me the questions. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you tonight in the webinar. Cheers. Bye-bye.